Hello guys, welcome to Testcan Developers. I hope you all guys doing well during this pandemic. This is our very first video on Android app development. I know almost of us using smartphones, Android mobiles in our daily life. Nowadays, without Android phones, without smartphones, our life is incomplete because everything is on online mode. So the question is, what is Android? So Android is the operating system. Now the question is, what is operating system? Operating system is the interface between computer user and computer hardware. Let's take one example. If I want to connect with my friend, with my relatives or anyone, then I will make call, I can message them, I can text, I can message through the WhatsApp, Insta. So the calling, messaging, these all the medium between us to getting connect. Likewise, operating system is also the medium between us and the computer hardware. And in technical language, this medium means interface. So whatever we are doing means opening of the laptop, opening of the Android phones, from that operating system starting its work. Now, what is operating system? Operating system is the software to communicate with hardware. Whenever we do commanding on our laptop, so it will executed by the operating system to communicate with hardware. So what is then if I want to connect with my laptop, with my hardware, it can be anything, my laptop, Android phones, desktop software, anything. So we will get connect to the operating system. So examples of the operating system, we use operating systems in our daily life. Someone uses Windows, Android, almost people use Androids. Someone people use Apple. So these all are the examples of the operating system. So the Android is an operating system based on the Linux kernel and designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablet computers. If you like this information, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. See you guys soon with interesting topic. Up to that, stay safe, stay home, stay tuned. Thank you.